Hello friends, there's a stretch of sea so narrow, so important that whatever happens there can decide how much you pay at the fuel pump anywhere in the world. It's called the Strait of Hormuz, and right now it's back at the center of a dangerous escalation. Oil prices jumped more than 1% on Thursday after the United States carried out fresh military strikes on Iran. Brent crude, the global benchmark, rose to nearly $79 a barrel, while US crude climbed above $74. And this wasn't a small operation. According to US military command, American forces struck around 90 Iranian military targets, air defense systems, coastal surveillance, missile and drone storage sites, and naval infrastructure all along Iran's coastline. The stated goal? To keep the Strait of Hormuz open. Now, why does this one waterway matter so much? Before this war began, roughly one-fifth of the entire world's oil and liquefied natural gas passed through this single choke point, and Iran's control over it has been its biggest bargaining chip in a conflict that started back in late February with US and Israeli airstrikes. But here's what makes this moment so tense. Just hours before these strikes, President Donald Trump declared that an interim agreement to end the war was, in his words, over, though he also ruled out a full-scale war. And Iran had already responded a day earlier, claiming it attacked US military sites in Bahrain and Kuwait. So this is a back and forth that keeps escalating. Market analysts are worried. One group noted that these fresh strikes have badly undermined confidence in what was already a very fragile ceasefire. And that fear is exactly what's pushing oil prices up. So what does this mean for you and me? When oil prices climb, it ripples outward. Higher fuel costs, rising transportation prices, and eventually more expensive goods on store shelves. A conflict thousands of miles away can quietly show up in your monthly budget. For now, all eyes remain on that narrow strip of water, because as long as the Strait of Hormuz stays contested, global energy markets will stay on edge. What do you think? How worried should the world be about this escalation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.